Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it is lunchtime and Deepak wanted something special because he is sick. So he wanted pachapuli rasam. I've never made it. I don't know how it tastes. I saw a recipe on YouTube and I made it, and fish fry. Let me just show you how it looks. Yeah, so this is how it is. You just you don't cook it. You basically just use tamarind water and add jeera. You kutify jeera and all of that and make it. So I just made that. The rice is getting cooked and I've made fish. I've marinated fish, which is here. Right. But I've been craving something for months, like months. It's all over my Instagram page and it's all I can think of, and I finally got the chance to make it. It is basically this Bengali side dish called panta bhat. I hope I'm saying it right. I'm so nervous. If you're a Bengali watching this, I'm really sorry, but your food looks so delicious that I want to try it. So I somehow managed, not somehow, I fermented some rice here. As you can see, I'm going to add curd to it, and I've also kept some potatoes to boil. I'm going to try and make it. I saw a few recipes. It looks pretty easy. Some of them have this aloo side that they have, and fish. So anyways, fish is there, but I'm going to make this aloo side. But there's one that I've also been seeing where they take a little bit of the water from the fermented rice and they add raw chili, and they break the chili, and they kind of touch that water and have it. Now some people were roasting the tomato and then using it in that. Some were using raw. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm so excited, guys, and I really have been craving it, so I can't stop thinking about it. So that's what I'm going to do. Yes, Kana. Oh no, Dada did like that. Okay, you take your guitar, okay, and go play it for Dada outside. Go fast. Yeah, so I can't think of anything else, guys, that's on my mind 24/7. So I'm going to try and make it, but I'm really nervous. I know a lot of other cultures have different versions of it, but whenever I see the Bengali version, my mouth is watering. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to make it. So here's the rice. I'm just going to add curd to it. I'm using the Akshaya Kalpa curd, and I'm going to put that in and leave it for some time. Yeah, so I've added 1 spoon of curd. You all fell. Okay, so I've added 1 spoon of curd, and I'm going to leave that. The potato is boiling, but I see that they fry the chili. They use mustard oil. Now I just can't have mustard oil. I just don't like mustard oil, so I'm going to try and make it with normal cooking oil. So I'm just waiting for that. But oh my gosh, I'm so nervous, guys, because you know how you see something online and you think of the taste, your mind just makes up a taste and you're craving it, but then if by chance, for example, I used to love watching macaroons, and then when I had macaroons in real life, I was very disappointed. Now with this, I'm not scared that I'll be disappointed, but I'm scared that I might not make it right and I might mess up the recipe or something like that. But I don't have any Bengali friends. If you're a Bengali watching this, please comment down below and let me know if this is how I should do it, or I should do it some other way, because I want to make this a part of our meals. So yeah, let me just wait for the potato to boil. Okay, so my aloo is boiled. Now I'm just going to fry the red chili and some people don't fry the garlic, some people do. I'm just going to fry the garlic. I think it's one of those things that you can really customize to your taste. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm just going to not customize. I'm just going to follow this one video that I watched, and I'm going to make it according to that. I'm guessing 3 chilies should be enough because I'm going to make it with 1 potato only. I also have some onion and some coriander cut and kept here, so I'm going to add that. Okay, so the chili is almost little burnt, but that's how I saw her make it, so I'm just going to follow that. So the potato hasn't boiled properly, guys, so I put it in the cooker, but I thought until then I'll just fry the fish so that the fish will be ready by the time my aloo is ready. This is how the chili and everything else looks. This is the fish. We bought shankar. That's one of my favorite fish. So yeah, I'll fry the fish. The aloo is taking forever, guys. So I'm just going to add some salt to this. This is really hot, so I'm just going to let that cool, but I'm going to oh gosh, I'm making a mess, guys. Let me just deal with the potato and come back. Guys, I don't know why I feel like I'm doing it wrong, but I'm just going to trust my gut and not put too much pressure on myself. I'm just going to plate this, okay guys, now. I can't wait. I'm so I'm so hungry. So guys, I have my fermented rice here, fish here, and the star of the show here. I'm just going to try it and see how it tastes. Wait, should I put salt in this also?
Yeah.
No, I put salt in this.
I don't know, just eat then.
Okay. So how I don't know how to eat it. I'm just going to take a little bit of this. I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh.
Give me one mouth.
This is what I imagined it would. But you have cold.
It's okay, one mouth. You should put salt in that also.
No, but I like it like this. Sushila, zara. Okay, so I'm just going to enjoy this. And thoda, bahut thoda. Kafi. Thank you. Very nice, very refreshing. How's the fish?
Nice, it's very nice.
It's amazing. You want to have some? I give you some. There's one more aloo.
No, it's okay, you eat.
Okay. Guys, that had to be one of the best meals I've had. Like, so simple, so flavorful, so refreshing. I think I should just like start having that more often. But Miss Azika ma'am is ready for her nap, so I'm just going to put her to sleep. But guys, definitely give that a try. It's just so simple. Like, it's so crazy how such simple things can bring so much joy. Like, life's just amazing like that. But yeah, I'm going to end the vlog. The pachapuli rasam also was very, very nice. Deepak enjoyed it. So yeah, I will meet you guys in my next vlog. Until then, bye. Azika, say bye.
Bye.
Bye guys.